Welcome back. Now to start the process of selling a product, you're going to need to create a product on the Thrivecart platform. And to do that, you're going to go to this section that says Products. And the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to click the button that says Create a Product. You can choose to create either a digital or a physical product. We are going to start this process by creating a digital product. And we're going to click Create New Product. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to give your product a name that you know will appear to the customer on their invoice. While you were typing in the product name, you're going to notice that Thrivecart will approximate what the checkout page URL is going to be. If you click inside of this checkout page URL, you can make changes to what that URL is going to be. So for example, we're going to make changes to this URL. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to write a descriptive label. This label is going to be one that will show up on your dashboard. Your customer will not see this label. So you want to write in something that will identify this product to you. You can choose a specific product status. Now what you'll notice is that when the product is in test mode, you can make a purchase in sandbox or testing mode. This will allow you to test your funnel and all of the other elements of your purchase process. So until you're ready to go live with your product, test mode is a good idea to use the default setting that Thrivecart gives you. Once you completed this basic product information, you can then click Next. You will then set the currency that your product is going to sell in. If you set the drop-down menu, you can see all of the currencies in which you can set the currency price. If you use the drop-down menu, you can see all of the different currencies that you can use in this section. And once you've done that, you can then click Set the Product Price. It's here where you're going to determine the kind of product as well as the price. So for example, if we were to use this drop-down menu, we can set a subscription, we can set a split payment process, or we can set a pay-your-own-price process. If we leave the default on the one-time fee at 0, you'll notice that Thrivecart is going to treat this as a free product in which the customer will not be charged. So for the sake of this video, we're going to charge a price for this product. If you want to use a trial period, you can do that. And what this means is that the customer will not be billed until their trial period is going to be over for this amount that you've placed on the left side. If customers are only going to be able to get this product at a limited number, you can set that limit here, and you can specify the number of people that will be able to purchase the product. Once you've completed the pricing, you can then click Next. You're going to be asked whether you want one purchase to be made at a time or multiple purchases at once. What we're now going to do is click Save with these changes. We can determine if we're going to collect sales tax automatically. In order to do that, we need to set the product category, and we're going to specify our tax policies. Now it's here where you can specify if you want your customer's invoice to be customized. If you don't tick this button, your customer is going to get the Thrivecart default invoice. So we're going to tick this. We can determine the format and click Next. And what we can do is we can write in text that we want to appear at the top of the invoice. Once we've written in our custom text, we can then click Next. You can then upload your logo to your invoice. Once you've done that, you can preview your invoice. And you'll then be able to see what your customer will actually experience when they get your invoice. You'll notice that your support link is going to be clickable, as well as a download PDF. Once you've completed this, you can then click Save. And you can then click Next. And we will pick it up in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.